Welcome back to day 3 of 100 Days 100 Python Projects. Today, we're building something productive, a task tracker. I'll show you two versions, one for the command line and one with a graphical user interface using Tkinter. Let's get started. Command line version. First, let's dive into the command line version. This is how it works. Functionality. You can add tasks, view them, mark them as completed, and even delete them, all through a simple menu interface. Highlight key functions. Add _task. This function takes input from the user and appends it to the task list. View _tasks. Here, we loop through the tasks and show their status, either completed or pending. Mark _task completed. This lets the user mark any task as completed using its number. Delete _task, and this removes a selected task from the list. This version is great for beginners and runs entirely in the terminal. Now, let's step it up and create a GUI version. Now, let's give the task tracker a graphical interface using Tkinter. Here's what we'll build. Input field for tasks. List box to display tasks. Buttons for actions. Add task, mark completed, delete task, and clear all. Highlight key parts. Add _task. This function gets the input from the text field and adds it to the task list. Update _task list. It refreshes the list box every time a task is added, marked, or deleted. Buttons. Each button is linked to its respective function. For example, mark completed updates the status of the selected task. Comparison. So, why have two versions? The command line version is simple, lightweight, and easy to build. The GUI version, on the other hand, is more user-friendly and visually appealing, great for non-technical users or everyday use.